Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It is Jen with Home Yunez Plans, and I am here to do another memory spread. I will be planning out the week of August 17th through August 23rd using this beautiful kit from Mynewestaddiction called Classy Beach. It is in rose gold foil. So without any further ado, I'm going to go ahead, speed you guys up, lay down the base of the spread, and then get back to you with the day today.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, now I'll find you in my dreams. My heart rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, now I'll find you in my dreams. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality.
All right, let's see what I can ramble on and on about for the next 13 minutes, because we all know I don't do anything different. Thank you, COVID. The first thing I am marking is that I uploaded my plan with me on this day. I'm really digging the Monday upload schedule for my memory spread. I feel like it's, I don't know, my mind changes all the time. But anyways, I'm marking that with a little scallop circle from the Pretty Pink Co. And I layered that over top of a vine deco piece from Honey Inked. And then I added a little botanical floral piece to the corner from Letters from Lay. And that laptop is from Crafts by Towie. Then I wanted to mark that I had my Zoom HIT class on this day. I am so grateful for Zoom and for technology, because when I got laid off at my office job, I was a little bit worried because, I'm a personal trainer and I didn't know if I was going to be able to go and personally train people because COVID. But thank goodness for Zoom, because it has literally been a lifesaver through this pandemic. So to mark my Zoom classes, I am using this little quarter box from the kit, and I layered a piece of deco, and that workout Ava is from Planning Like a Pro. Then I wanted to mark that I did a little fitness photo shoot to kind of promote my fitness classes on my Facebook and my fitness Instagram. So I layered 2 flags from the kit. That little camera is from Nitty Designs and the bow is from the kit. Then jumping over to Tuesday, I wanted to mark that we slept in on this day. So I used that little scalloped quarter box, and that foiled sleep mask is from Crafts by Towie. It's absolutely one of my favorite icons. And the sleep in script is from my mom's shop. And then in between that, I used this beautiful vine floral piece from Honey Inked, because the next thing I wanted to mark is that I edited my haul on this day. I had so many issues editing that haul because when I was filming, I had my AC going because I'm in Texas and it gets like really hot, and it was rattling a whole mess of stuff on my shelves, and it was like ridiculously loud, and I ended up having to refilm a whole bunch of stuff. It was a whole process. It took me all day to like edit and refilm. So anyways, moving on. I wanted to mark that I went running on this day. Actually, I went running because I was very frustrated and I needed to like step away from the project. So I marked that using another quarter box from the kit. I layered that over top of another piece of deco from Letters from Lay. That running shoe is from Crafts by Towie, and the running script is from my mom's shop. Then I wanted to mark that we bought my dad's gift on this day, so I just used some layering elements from the kit. And then the last thing that I wanted to mark is that I cleaned our kitchen. So I used another quarter box, and I layered it over top of a lace divider from Honey Inked, and that cleaning bottle is from Nikki Plus 3. Jumping over to Wednesday, this was my dad's birthday, so I wanted to mark that really special. So I used one of those framed floral boxes from Crafts by Towie. I used the larger size, and I layered that over top of a lace mandala from Honey Inked. And then I put another piece of floral deco from Letters from Lay in the corner, and then I layered a cupcake from the Pretty Pink Co. over top of some balloons, and then that happy birthday script is from my mom's shop. That's to mark my daddy's birthday. The next thing I wanted to mark is that I did laundry on this day, and I did a massive amount of laundry. So to mark that, I'm using a quarter box from the kit. That laundry basket is from the kit as well, and the laundry day script is from my mom's shop. Then I wanted to mark that I did some studying, and I did a lot of studying, like, oh my gosh. So first of all, I used 2 flags from the kit to mark that, and then I put a lace divider from Honey Inked over top of that, and the desk is from the GP Studio, and the study script is from my mom's shop. I think I overstudied on this day. I don't know if that is a thing, but it got to the point where like I was reading the same sentence over and over again, and it's like my brain wasn't remembering it, and it kind of gave me anxiety and made me feel like, oh my gosh, I'm stupid, I'm never going to learn this stuff. So I ended up having to like take a step back and like step away and go, okay, Jen, you really need to pause and reset. So you didn't see it, but afterwards, you know, when I took a break, we went over to my dad's house, and for his birthday, we watched the movie, oh gosh, I want to call it Power Source, but it's not Power Source. It's Project Power, the one with Jamie Foxx, and it just came out on Netflix, and it's a really good movie. You guys should totally check it out. But anyways, I am talking through Thursday, so let me go ahead and get caught up. The first thing I wanted to mark is that we slept in, so I used another floral frame box from Crafts by Towie over top of another vine deco piece from Honey Inked. That pillow is an icon from the kit, and the sleep-in script is from Planner Kate. Then I wanted to mark that I made homemade Crunchwrap Supremes. So I just used a half box from the kit, a piece of vine deco, and that fork and knife is from Nikki Plus 3. Then I wanted to mark that I actually did have an in-person personal training session. Whoo, say that 5 times fast. And to mark that, I just used a half box vertically, and I used a sticky note from Nitty Designs. That little dumbbell is from Nikki Plus 3. Those 2 arrows are from the kit. That little training girl is from the Fox and Pip. The lace divider is from Honey Inked. And the training script is from Planner Kate. Jumping over to Friday, I wanted to mark that I had my Zoom class on this day, and so I layered those sticky notes from the Pretty Pink Co. over top of a mandala and a vine deco piece from Honey Inked. That little workout girl is from Pink Leaf Prints. Then I wanted to mark, this is actually supposed to say edit. I don't know why I have the study script there. I guess my brain was like really focusing on study this week. But that is supposed to say edit, and I go back and I change it later. And to use that, I just use a quarter box from the kit, and the pen is also a piece of deco from the kit. Then I wanted to mark that we had a pool day on this day. A couple of our friends' neighborhood pool. It's not quite closed for school yet, so we all decided to have a pool day. We brought my sister-in-law and my niece because my sister-in-law is about to move into her new house. So we wanted to have like a day to like hang out with her before she moved. So to mark that, I'm using this flag from the kit with the little girl on it. I love her little dress. I used another circle scalloped from the Pretty Pink Co. That little bikini top is from the kit, and the vine deco piece is from Honey Inked. Then to finish off the night, I just did some studying. So jumping over to Saturday, the first thing I wanted to mark is that I kind of had a a treat yourself kind of a day. So I used a half box from the kit. I layered a mandala from Honey Inked over top of that. That chair is from Crafts by Towie. I don't know why that like struck me as a, icon to use as me time, but you know what? Whatevs. And the me time script is from my mom's shop, boodlesdoodlesdesign. Then I wanted to mark that I did some studying. Whoo, you guessed it, fun times to be had. So I used that little notebook from the kit, and that dragonfly is from Honey Inked. Those little diamond and star speckles are from Letters from Lay, and the study script is from my mom's shop. Jumping back up towards the beginning of the day, I wanted to mark that we did a little bit of grocery shopping on this day. We just picked up like some essentials, like we needed some Tylenol and everything. So we just did a mini grocery trip, and I just used a quarter box from the kit. That grocery icon is from Paper Muse Crafts, and the grocery shop script is from my mom's shop. Then I wanted to mark that I filmed my plan with me, this one that you are watching right now. So I used another quarter box from the kit. That little girl is from Pink Leaf Prints. The film plan with me script is from my mom's shop. And then in between that, I layered another vine deco piece from Letters from Lay. And then I took another little bow. That little bow is actually from Letters from Lay as well. And I put it in the little girl's hair. And I got this idea from Rachel at Gathered Plans. She adds little bows on things, and I'm like, oh my gosh, yes, that's adorable. So channeling my inner Rachel there. Jumping over to Sunday, I wanted to mark that we went over to Shane's grandparents' house to celebrate his niece's birthday. So to mark that, I layered another dragonfly over top of a foiled sticky note from Nitty Designs. That dragonfly is from Honey Inked. The little house icon is from the Pretty Pink Co. And this custom script is from my mom's shop, boodlesdoodlesdesign. And then I just added a little flourish from Honey Inked to give a little oomph and a little zhuzh. Then I wanted to mark that I did, you guessed it, some more studying. I'm so boring. Like, I've literally done the exact same thing every single day. But you know what? It's quarantine, it's Corona, it's COVID. We're all kind of just trying to get by and do the best we can. So to mark that, I used another half box from the kit. That vine deco piece is from Honey Inked. That little girl who's super busy is from the Fox and Pip. And the study script is from my mom's shop. Then I wanted to mark that I edited my plan with me and did my voiceover. So I layered a circle floral box from from Crafts by Towie over top of a half box from the kit to kind of give it a background. That microphone icon is from the Pretty Pink Co. and the pen is from Crafts by Towie. And then I just came over back to Monday and added a couple more little doodads and whatnots. And that completes the spread. This is the leftovers that I have. Here is a Viv Wiggle. And yeah, I want to thank you guys so much for watching, for stopping by, and for putting up with my hot mess voiceovers. I know, I'm just great. Anyways, if you're new here, hi, I'm Jen. I do planner things. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hopefully I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!